Adaptive leadership is not merely about reacting to change, but thriving in it. In today's dynamic world, change is not just a possibility, but an ever-present reality. Whether it's technological advances altering industries overnight, market shifts reshaping customer behaviours, or global crises disrupting the status quo, leaders must navigate these changes with agility and foresight. Leaders who excel in adaptive leadership understand that adaptability is not a choice, but a necessity. They recognise that clinging to outdated methods or resisting change only hinders progress and limits opportunity for growth. Instead, they embrace change as an inevitable part of the journey, viewing it as an opportunity for innovation and improvement rather than a threat to stability. They encourage open-mindedness, flexibility, and a willingness to embrace new ideas and approaches. This culture of adaptability ensures teams pivot quickly in response to changing circumstances, turning challenges into opportunities and setbacks into valuable learning experiences. Moreover, adaptive leaders lead by example, demonstrating their own willingness to adapt and evolve in the face of change. In essence, adaptive leadership is more than just surviving change, it's about thriving in the midst of it. By embracing change as a catalyst for growth and innovation, adaptive leaders empower their teams to overcome challenges and achieve success in an ever-evolving world.